In this video, I will guide you on how to use Instagram AI video effects. You can do this in two ways. You can either use the Instagram Edits app or Instagram app itself. First, open the Edits application. Now open up your project. Here you want to scroll down and tap on the filter option. And from here you can select any AI video effect. You can also scroll through the AI-powered overlay effects like scattered brain and then apply that to your video. Next, you can use the AI effects in your Instagram app. For that, tap on the Instagram application. Now record a video or capture an image. Then you want to tap on this restyle icon. From here, you can select whichever effect you want, or you can also type in your prompt over here and then tap on send. In this way, you can use Instagram AI video effect. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.